The living room landscape is about to undergo its most significant transformation in a decade as Apple prepares to redefine what we consider a streaming box. For years, the Apple TV 4K has been the gold standard for enthusiasts who demand the highest bit rates and the cleanest interface. But the whispers coming out of Cupertino suggest that the upcoming refresh is no longer just about playing movies. It is about becoming the undisputed brain of the modern home. Imagine a device that doesn't just sit under your television, but actively manages your environment, bridges the gap between console-grade gaming and casual play, and introduces a visual fidelity that makes current 4K HDR look like a standard definition relic. We are standing on the precipice of a hardware shift where the silicon inside this sleek black box will rival the power of high-end laptops, enabling features that were previously thought impossible for a fanless, compact media player. The era of the simple streaming puck is dead, and in its place, Apple is crafting a multi-purpose powerhouse designed to lock every competitor out of the premium living room space for the next 5 years. Central to this evolution is the integration of the latest generation of Apple Silicon, a move that effectively turns the Apple TV into a silent gaming monster. While the current model is no slouch, the jump to the new architecture means that AAA titles, which previously required a dedicated console or a massive PC rig, can now run natively with hardware-accelerated ray tracing right on your television. This isn't just about better graphics for mobile ports. This is about a fundamental shift in how Apple views the gaming market. By leveraging their unified memory architecture, they're enabling developers to bring expansive, open-world experiences to the big screen without the thermal throttling that plagues smaller devices. When you pair this with the seamless integration of existing game controllers and the ultra-low latency of the Apple ecosystem, the value proposition changes instantly. You aren't just buying a device to watch Netflix. You are buying a stealth gaming console that happens to be the best movie player on the planet. This convergence of media and high-performance computing is the secret weapon Apple is using to dominate the high-end market in the United States and beyond. But the hardware is only half the story, as the true magic lies in the unseen upgrades to the wireless and connectivity standards that will dictate how we consume content in 2026. With the implementation of advanced Wi-Fi protocols and thread networking, the new Apple TV 4K becomes the ultimate Matter hub, orchestrating a symphony of smart home devices with zero lag and ironclad security. The internal upgrades focus heavily on bandwidth efficiency, ensuring that even as 8K content begins to trickle into the mainstream and high-fidelity spatial audio becomes the standard, your stream remains uninterrupted. We are looking at a future where the Apple TV uses computational video techniques, similar to what we see in iPhone photography, to upscale older content in real time, making a 10-year-old show look like it was filmed yesterday in native 4K. This intelligent upscaling is a game-changer for cinephiles who want to revisit classics without the grain and artifacting of older digital transfers. It is this relentless pursuit of perfection in the details, the frame rate matching, the color accuracy, and the instantaneous UI response that forces users to stay within the ecosystem, because once you experience this level of fluidity, everything else feels broken. The leaks also point toward a radical rethinking of the remote and the user interface, moving toward a more sensory-driven experience. Rumors of a redesigned Siri Remote with enhanced haptic touch and even Find My precision finding integrated directly into the chassis are just the beginning. Apple is reportedly working on a version of tvOS that utilizes proximity sensing with your iPhone or Apple Watch to personalize the home screen the moment you sit on the couch. Imagine a world where the TV knows exactly who is watching and adjusts the up next cue, the smart home shortcuts, and even the picture calibration settings based on that specific person's preferences. This level of predictive AI integration is what separates a smart TV from a truly intelligent home experience. It creates a frictionless environment where the technology disappears, leaving only the content. As we look toward the official unveiling, the excitement isn't just about a faster processor. It's about the realization that Apple is finally ready to make the television the center of our digital lives, proving that the best screen in your house deserves the most powerful computer Apple can build for it. This is the definitive future of home entertainment, and it is arriving sooner than anyone expected.